for another story. So, another one of your favourites. You all love this story, and I think actually everybody does. The listeners, the staff, the parents, the carers, and come on, we're all struggling with our hair at the moment, aren't we? So let's have the haircut. Chris was going to the hairdressers. His hair was far too long. His hair was far too long. Good morning. Morning, said Chris. You're busy. Everyone was busy chatting. Everyone was busy chatting. Was busy chatting. Mark, the new trainee, put a gown on Chris. Put a gown on Chris. Mark, the new trainee, put a gown on Chris. Over to the basin, please, sir, he said, and he washed his hair and towelled it dry. He washed his hair and towelled it dry. Would you like a magazine? Please, said Chris, and he started to read. He started to read. Mark, the new trainee, started at the back. Snip, snip. Snip, snip. Ready? Snip, snip. Snip, snip. He reached for the clippers. Just, excuse me, what's happened to my clippers? He reached for the clippers. Just a little bit off here. And some off here. Just a little bit off here. And some off here. All done. Chris looked up and stared in the mirror. And stared in the mirror. Ah! He stared in the mirror. I'm bored, he screamed. You! I'm bored, he screamed. You! Tim the boss swung round and came rushing over. It's very fashionable, sir, don't worry. And he soothed his head in essential oils. Big sniff. He soothed his head in essential oils and brushed Chris down. This has gone a little bit wonky here, guys, hasn't it? And brushed Chris down. Fabulous. I'll sort my hair out before you see me next time. See you later.